Tonight, meteorologist Matt Standridge highlights how dangerous travel can be and talks with the Department of Transportation about where our hot spots are in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley.
Snowfall is coming down an inch per hour. We're starting to see the ice accumulations really adding up.
Traffic has come to a complete stop.
Another round of cold air is on the way.
Arctic Arkansas, presented by Sutherland's.
Driving in the snow and ice can sometimes feel like an Olympic sport. So tonight on Arctic Arkansas, we spoke with the Arkansas Department of Transportation to find out how they are preparing for this upcoming winter. Our state works hard every year to treat the streets, but sometimes Old Man Winter can be difficult to work with. However, over the past 2 years, we've been in a snow drought, which has benefited RDOT because there are plenty of resources available this year to fight back when the snow picks up.
Fortunately, we had a mild winter this past season, and so we have spent the rest of the year finishing a couple of salt domes around the state and making sure all of those salt domes are full.
Everyone knows where the trouble spots are on their daily commute. Well, RDOT does too. They have locations called hot spots where winter precipitation causes a lot of trouble.
It's funny because we call trouble areas during winter weather hot spots when in fact they're really just frozen solid. Those are areas that require a unique approach.
Almost every bridge in the area can be considered a hot spot. Last year, the overpass at Sunset Avenue caused multiple wrecks as the road froze over. Because cold air can sit both above and below an overpass, the concrete or asphalt can get colder faster. In fact, on I-49 alone, you'll drive across 37 bridges from Bella Vista to Alma at I-40. Here's the elevation profile of that route. The change in height can create several travel problems through the mountains. For example, when you hop onto I-49 from I-40 near Alma, you'll start near 400 feet above sea level. Eventually, you'll climb up to over 1,800 feet near Winslow before dropping a bit into the plateau of northwest Arkansas. And as you're driving through the terrain, several times the weather will switch from rain to snow to sleet and back again because of the temperature changes. But once you're in the metro areas, guess what? You're not out of the woods yet. RDOT is focusing winter resources at new construction in Bentonville on I-49 at exit 85.
Work zones can be tricky because you can have barrier walls on each side, and if you bring a plow in to plow that area, there's nowhere for the snow to go on either side, and so it's almost a tunnel that you have to push all of the material through until you break out on the other side.
There are over 500,000 traffic accidents every year in the United States due to winter alone. That's why here at 5 News, we take traffic seriously, and we're going to give you constant updates on how the roads are shaping up when winter strikes.
Tomorrow night on your 5 News at 10, meteorologist Sabrina Bates will be taking a look at how folklore could make or break a snow forecast.